Yun pala yun.
And Joe Devance re-enters the ball game para palitan si Nick Velasco. Dahil sila nga yung dalawang mama that was singled out.
Oo.
Na sila ang dapat gumising dito sa
Napakarami ng
Sleeping Dragon.
Dalawang to eh. 19 points para dito kay Nick Velasco. 15 points para dito kay Joe Devance. Kailangan na iba mag-contribute din eh.
Well, otherwise, dahan-dahan lang lalayo itong Pure Foods. Now up by 9.
Yung offensa ng Real Food. Dalawa lang yung babantayan.
Devance. Of course, to guard Devance is easier said than done, especially tonight.
He's red hot tonight. Inside and out. May kanina tumirang mula Libertad eh.
Third person na laban kay Salvador. Ang init, no? JDV back in the first half.
Coming off the bench eh. 9 points sa first quarter at in-score nitong si Joe Devance.
Now, there's a session here. Garchi Ferrer, our Chief Justice, calling the attention of the team captains, Kirby Raimundo of Pure Foods and Denver Lopez of Wellcoat.
Na siguro yung mga reklamo ng mga players.
I would assume baka the constant, probably the constant protestations from the two benches. Normally that is good reason for the officials to call the attention of the team captains.
One for two para dito kay Camp Bigawan. At si Santa Maria holding on to that leather kahit na matanggal yung kanyang braso.
May palaban din itong si Adonis. Do not mess with me for my name is Adonis. And Pure Foods gets the ball. So 3.5 remaining here in the third quarter. Chico Laneta is back in the ball game. He had an unproductive first half para sa Pure Foods.
Hindi natin nakikita sa Pure Foods si Brandon Cablaw.
That's true. Seen him at all.
Hindi siya pinasok eh.
Pero naka-uniforme siya.
Naka-uniforme.
Here's Wainwright. Wainwright, runner. Wainwright got his own miss. Bagong shot lang para sa Wellcoat. Down by 8 points. And Adonis will miss. Ito na si Kirby Raimundo. Raimundo nakatingin kay Lanete. Raimundo the way! Sayang na sayang lang.
Nanghihinayang si Kirby Raimundo. Kasi sinulubong siya ni Tontulay that time.
So time out muna tayo with 2:50 remaining in the third quarter. Lamang ang Pure Foods. 64-56. The thing is that you learn from your mistakes. Diba? Tama ba, Tito Barry?
Tama yun, tama.
Hey, maraming salamat kay Carlo. Young Carlo. Future courtside reporter of the PBA.
2 for 2 para dito kay Kirby Raimundo. He has 13 points and 11 rebounds. Another double-double.
Baka nagugulat sila ba't may mga chikiting tayo on board.
Training natin yan.
Oh. Ganun tayo, long-term vision.
Long-term
kasi ano ngayon International Children's Day of Broadcasting.
Yeah.
That's why. Here's Wainwright with a fall away. Gielik putback is good.
Tama yung ginawa ni Gielik. Hindi na niya ibinaba pa no? Follow up na lang kagad. Peter Jun Simon ay nasa loob na. Pinag-connected si James Yap.
Raimundo, siya pa rin may tangan ng bola rito. Siya pa rin may hawak ng bola with 7 to shoot. Si Raimundo pa rin. Tinasakit fingers was all alone.
Ganun lang yun. Parang lahat sila yung pinanood. Itong si Kirby Raimundo, naiwang bukas na bukas si Mike Pingris.
And it's a 10-point ball game here in the third period. Under 2 minutes remaining in the third chapter. Wainwright to Devance. JDV on the move. Tinangga ni Pingris.
Hindi na siya reklamo. Umiling lang. Third foul, itong si Mark Pingris at both teams in penalty. Ito si Joe Devance with 19 points across his name ay bibigyan ng Dalawang free throws.
But he missed the first.
Pilas ko talaga yung kaperanggot ang pahinga eh. Kaperanggot na kaperanggot. Pasok agad siya para dito kay Adonis Santa Maria.
Well-coached Dragons sa kasalukuyan ay tabla with Coca-Cola doon sa ilalim ng team standings, hoping to make a move upward.
To wiggle out. Kasi itong Coca-Cola, 2 straight wins. Dati Coke na nasa ibaba eh.
Meantime, here's Lanete. Joey Mente is in the ball game for the first time para sa well-coached. Mente swings it over to Devance. Devance on the move, and he will score off the glass.
Warning yun. Dahil hinawakan pa ni Devance yung bola bago after making that shot.
Cardinals in ngayon yan. Sa bilis ng takbo ng ating mga laro.
Pwede yun. Pabaya, naishoot mo na. Hawakan mo pa yung bola.
Here's Raimundo. 8-point ball game in favor of Pure Foods. Si Mente, nangungulit dito kay Kirby. Baksak si Mente. Raimundo fires and misses. At yung bola nakuha ni Wainwright. Dulay has the ball. Dulay over to Devance. And Devance now has 23 points to lead all scorers.
Touchdown. 7 to go, ah. With 1 full quarter ahead para makatrenta si Devance.
And more importantly, Devance is keeping well-coached within shouting distance. Here's Simon. Nanahimik itong si Simon. And the last one almost crashes into the Pure Foods bench.
But he was chasing the letter, itong si Mark Pingris, nice screen niya.
So well-coached making a move here with 19 seconds to go in the third quarter. Here's Wainwright. Betito.
Chico lang na ito ba?
And you know, this will mean free throws. Si Pingris ang tinawagan ng foul, pang-apat. And it's gone, oh my, Dulay.
Dulay sumablay.
Here's James Yap back on the hard court.
Kirby ang pinilitan. Ito si James Yap.
2 misses by Dulay. Could have made it a 4-point ball game. Instead, with 10 seconds to go, Pure Foods can write the last sentence of the third chapter. James Yap, back to Simon. 3 seconds to go in the third. Simon, umatake! Two free throws here para kay Peter June Simon with 1 second remaining in the third period.
The right thing to do. At alam ni Simon yun, no? So, bibigyan siya ng 2 free throws dito. Could pad the lead of Pure Foods to 8. Daming mga free throws missed by both camps. Especially dito sa third quarter.
Two misses. At siya magtatapos ang third quarter. At muli neither team really able to pull away. But JDV, the Speaker of the House, Joe Devance, now with a career-high 23 points. May ambag pang 5 rebounds yan. And Devance is keeping well-coached in the thick of the fight. Ayaw nila magpaiwan. Ayaw magpahuli. And so at the end of the third quarter, it's just a 6-point ball game, 68-62 in favor of...
Alam kung ano yung mga makulo.
Although traditionally, parating libre yung at least yung upper box free section, pataas no, ng Araneta. Traditionally. Inaayos na, pinaplansya lang.
Dahil baka bukod sa libre, meron pang ibigay na pamasahe.
Lalo na galing kay Barry Bonds. Okay, simulan na ng ating fourth and final quarter between Welcode and Pure Foods, two teams with losing skids, as Don Dulay splits the defense and he has 4 markers off the bench.
Nagsimula itong ating final quarter with a basket from Chico Lanete. Bumanti ito si Don Dulay.